Oh, I'm so excited to share this with you. You know, this is the end of the season for stores sending fabrics, and I was able to pick up. These are really beautiful. Can't tell you the designer, but you know it. These are cashmeres. 24.99. Everything today 24.99 today and tomorrow. And I'm just really excited. This is a brown. It is beautiful. There's kind of like a brushed cashmere. So it just means that there's a little bit of a longer fiber on here, and it's just really pretty. I'm hoping you can see the colors. There's a brown. This is woven, and it's light. I mean, I know cashmere is light, but it's like a four. It's not like a coating. It's really beautiful for a wrap. You could even do pants, jacket, easy, anything. This is a camel. It's just beautiful. Just really beautiful. Again, kind of a brushed. It's reversible. Both sides are usable. I'm not even sure what is the right side, but they're stunning. This is a black. So look at all these classic colors: brown, camel, and black. 24.99. Oh my goodness. So just very, very pretty. Beautiful colors, beautiful feel, great drape. Now this is a viscose lycra. And I put this in because the color is just beautiful. This grape color continues from fall, from winter now into spring. This grape is just really beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. It's gorgeous for anything, for a t-shirt, for anything. It's just a really pretty color. And then I picked up these two. I don't have a lot of yardage. These are velvets. These are embroidered velvets. There's two of them, and they're coordinating. So one is a border print, and you can see like 50% is regular velvet, and let me lay that on something, and 50% is embroidered. So this would be like just a beautiful, my goodness, a pair of pants. You could just do a chic dress. You could just do so much with it. And then you could do a little jacket out of the complete embroidered. This is completely embroidered. They are the same color. They do coordinate. Again, the whole thing today, these are all $24.99. They're just gorgeous. Not a lot of yardage, but the goal is, you know it. Just happy sewing with beautiful fabrics from Silhouette Patterns.